Welcome to Wellness Equation. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a time to honor survivors, remember those we've lost, and empower every woman with knowledge that can save lives. But here's the truth. While we can't control every risk factor, our daily choices can make a real difference. So today, let's talk about the 7 essential steps of self-care and prevention that every woman should know to stay strong, stay healthy, and take charge of her breast health. Self-care starts with self-awareness. Know what's normal for your body, how your breasts look and feel. Once a month, perform a self-exam. Stand before a mirror with your arms at your sides and then raised. Look for any changes in size, shape, or skin texture. Lie down and use the pads of your fingers to feel for lumps or thickened areas, moving in gentle circular motions. Apply light, medium, and firm pressure. The best time to do this? A few days after your period ends, when your breasts are least tender. If you notice anything unusual, a lump, dimpling, redness, or discharge, see your doctor immediately. Remember, finding something early can make all the difference. Keep a healthy weight. After menopause, excess body fat can increase estrogen levels, which may raise the risk of breast cancer. Maintaining a healthy weight through balanced eating and exercise is one of the most powerful steps you can take. Ask your healthcare provider about your ideal weight, and focus on progress, not perfection. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it's for prevention. Studies show that 150 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity, like running or swimming, every week helps lower breast cancer risk. And here's the bonus. It boosts mood, energy, and overall well-being. So dance, walk, or stretch, whatever keeps you moving. Eat smart. Nourish to flourish. Your plate can be your greatest protector. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil, can help lower breast cancer risk, especially after menopause. Limit red meats, sugary foods, and processed snacks. And remember, a healthy diet doesn't just protect against cancer, it supports your heart and boosts energy too. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Even small amounts of alcohol can raise your risk of breast cancer. If you drink, try to limit it to no more than 1 drink a day. Or better yet, enjoy alcohol-free days. And if you smoke, quitting is one of the best decisions you can make, not just for your lungs, but for your overall cancer risk. Every step away from tobacco is a step toward life. Understand hormones and breastfeeding benefits. Breastfeeding doesn't just nourish your baby, it also helps lower your breast cancer risk, especially if done for several months. If you're considering hormone therapy after menopause, talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits. Use the lowest effective dose for the shortest time possible and explore non-hormonal alternatives when you can. Knowledge here truly is power. Prioritize screening and early detection. Early detection saves lives. It's that simple. Here's what you should do. Start mammograms around age 40, or earlier if you have a family history. Get annual clinical breast exams from your doctor. And keep performing your monthly self-checks. If you have a family history or genetic risk factors like BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutations, talk to your doctor about early or more frequent screening. Remember, finding breast cancer early means more treatment options and higher survival rates. Sometimes we can't change our risks, like family history or genetics, but we can control our lifestyle, our awareness, and our commitment to regular checkups. Every healthy meal, every workout, every self-check, it's all a form of self-love. Because self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. So this Breast Cancer Awareness Month, make yourself a promise. Know your body, stay active, eat clean, get screened, and never ignore changes. Together, through awareness and action, we can make a difference, one woman, one family, one life at a time. Take care of your body. It's the only home you'll ever have. Share this video to spread awareness, and don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Equation. Goodbye and take care.